How to link your EA account to Twitch. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can link your EA account to Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically link your EA account to Twitch, all you have to do is open up your browser and then just go to ea.com/twitchlinkin. I repeat, ea.com/twitchlinkin. I'll also make sure to drop this direct link down in the description box below. When you go to ea.com/twitchlinkin, you want to make sure that you are signed into your EA account as well as also your Twitch account on your browser. So if you're not already signed in, it will ask you to sign in manually. Then just sign into your accounts, and here you'll find the option to link your accounts, which if you tap on it, your account will get successfully linked. And this way you should be able to link your EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any further issues, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.